Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Realme model and any pending system updates so the resolution menu shows correctly. Once updated, back up important data and note the current resolution to revert if needed. Now go directly to Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then find Screen Resolution or Display Size. This is where you change pixels versus scaling. You do this first because changing resolution affects layout and battery. Making the menu visible now saves time in later steps. Next, pick the resolution preset that fits your needs. Higher for sharper text, lower for longer battery life. Once you select HD+, FHD+, or Auto/Adaptive, tap Apply and watch the screen briefly reconfigure. This shows why you chose the setting. If icons or text shift, go back to Display Settings and tweak font size or display scaling to maintain readability. Make sure to test a few apps right away so you can fine-tune layout without surprises. Finish by restarting the phone so the new resolution is fully applied across the system and apps. After reboot, open several apps and swipe through home screens to confirm consistent rendering and no UI clipping. If you notice app instability, reduce the resolution back to the previous setting and reboot again. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, clear the system cache or boot into safe mode to check for problematic apps. Revert to the original resolution before seeking further help.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.